Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and the video today is about making out letters. L would probably be the easiest one, F, E, your harder letters with some curves like a D might be a little bit harder, but you could do them in a block form, with angles. This is just eighth inch birch plywood. I'm a woodworker and I use a lot of this for clamping. This is a big rubber band. It's actually a tube. It's called surgical tubing. You can get off Amazon. It makes good clamping because it'll put force everywhere. There's the one I cut out, all the pieces, and it came from E-cuts from Monster Macro. There's another picture of the back side. But all you have to do is take your letter and then open up E-cuts and go to right here and go to finger joint shapes. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to left click, right click a hairline, and I'm going to go back to that, and I'm going to finger joint shapes. And it's an older version. If you have any errors or suggested, contact the developer. You can set the different parameters. The material thickness is 1/4. I want the depth of the box to be 2 inches. I want it to add locks, which is going to be the inside parts, and create slots on the depth part, I guess. And then you go into inches and everything. But your size is already set by the size of your letter, which is 6 inches by 10 inches tall, which if you're going to do the first one, don't make it quite that big. And then just hit apply. Now, the only problem I've seen with it does a really good job, except for you need a front and a back to this. So you have to go to Object, Group, Ungroup All, and you actually have to make a duplicate of that because you want the back. And then this piece goes along the back, this piece goes along the front, this piece goes here, this piece goes there. It's pretty self-explanatory, but that's from Monster Macro from E-cuts. I'm going to actually try to figure out how to cut one of these out without using the macro. I think on the letter L, it would be relatively I'm not going to say simple, but it might work. So maybe stay tuned for that. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.